testimony and review for Panasonic NE1025F microwave oven. We are 30 persons using this microwave in an office break room. We made the purchase after numerous donated microwaves were brought from home and were breaking down, generally sooner rather than later. It took a little while to become accustomed to the fact that there was no turntable and that the timer was a dial. But I followed the previous reviews when I made the selection for our group, and after 2 months, we are happy with the choice. First off, it is so easy to keep clean. The oven is so strong that the cook time is almost 20% faster. The turntable isn't a loss in heating evenly, and no loss in convenience and cleanliness. I'm hoping the dial, door and overall construction is as rugged as described by others. We'll modify this review if it isn't.
Panasonic NF975F Cyclonic wave microwave. Panasonic NF975F Countertop built-in Cyclonic wave microwave with inverter technology. 2.2 foot, 1250W. Stainless testimony and review. Panasonic NF975F Cyclonic wave microwave. Microwave for a few weeks now and am very satisfied with that. Microwave for a few weeks now and am very satisfied with it. I've also turned on the setting timer. So far so good. Description when it comes to everything you expect in a microwave. Nothing compares to defrosting, cooking and reheating capabilities in new Cyclonic wave. As every step of the level, Cyclonic wave circulates to precision, ultra-efficient 3D waves for easier, more versatile food preparation. Even with denser, more complex food textures. This exceptional microwave also includes patented inverter technology.